Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel post myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this working demo, I'm going to show you how to create model mini cart UI in React.js with HTML and CSS. And guys, I have used Bootstrap 5 as well. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest React.js updates. So guys, here we go. So guys, first on my screen, React.js is working fine with Bootstrap 5. Also, you can see here is one cart icon. Guys, now I'm going to click on this cart icon. See guys, I clicked. You can see mini cart with the products, pricing, cross button and buttons. Just beautiful. And guys, I must say it is fully responsive as well. I will show you. Make it responsive. See, cart open. See guys, will work for all the devices. Just beautiful. So guys, have you seen mini cart is working fine inside React.js. And guys, I will also make it dynamic in future as well. So guys, like I said, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. So please get the code. And guys, also if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then please comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. I will share all the details in this video description. And friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.